It's just a view from here but higher.
This is Roy's guided nature walk up at Clearwater Lake in Canada.
I saw no bears. I saw no deer. No moose. No moose. No fish. No bobcats. No bobcats.
Charlie's gonna join us.
Are you videotaping? Is that one of those flip cams?
No, it's just a little HD video cam
Oh, okay.
called a Vado HD. There's the lake. This is John, the back of John's head.
He's still taking pictures.
We're gonna go catch up to Roy. He's setting quite a pace here.
Here's the start of the nature walk.
Okay, we're now entering the forest. Very, very dangerous. Jesus.
Watch out, there's a cliff right here.
Ooh. Here we're coming into some rock formations.
I'd recommend staying left, hanging onto the rocks.
3-point stance at all times in rock areas. Have a hand and 2 feet.
I don't remember this challenge. Oh yeah, I do.
This is a 500-foot climb. It's just a little bit slippery on this rock.
We're already almost there.
We're
Almost there.
All right, we'll go through here.
Where's that dead tree over there?
Is Charlie coming?
Let's not take a picture. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming. I see him.
Are you out of breath yet?
Yeah.
Now we've got a view of the lake from up here. Here comes Charlie. up through the woods. How you doing, Charlie?
I wore my boots.
Here he comes. Whoop.
Here he is. This is Charlie Hirth. Now we have to go catch up to Roy again. We're coming. We were waiting for Charlie. He's a little older than the rest of us. We're all safe so far. There's Roy, the tour guide. Now we have a nice rocky outcropping
Nice view of the lake.
on a cliff.
We caught fish over there somewhere.
Cliff that overlooks the lake here. And we'll do the panorama for you. That's where we came from. There we are. Where's the rock out here?
I'm looking, yeah, I can't see. It must be around the corner yet.
Yep.
Careful.
I am. Yeah.